In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix common issues related to URL errors and file directory problems. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure everything is running smoothly on your end. First things first, let's begin by taking a closer look at your URLs. It's essential to check for any typographical errors. Typos in URLs can lead to broken links, 404 errors, or incorrect pathways, which can be frustrating for users. Meticulously go through each URL to see if everything is spelled correctly. Look for misplaced or missing characters, incorrect spelling, or any unintentional spaces that might have sneaked in. If you're working with a specific URL format, ensure it matches perfectly with what you have set up in your configuration settings or CMS. Once your URLs are free of typos, we can move on to the next step. It's time to verify that all necessary files exist in the correct directory using your file manager. This is crucial because if any file is missing or misplaced, the website may not function as intended. Open up your file manager on your hosting platform and navigate to the directory where your files are stored. Carefully check that each file needed for your website's operation is present and in the correct location. Pay close attention to file names and extensions, as these must be exactly as expected to ensure smooth functionality. Now, if you're using WordPress, resetting your permalinks might be a helpful step. This step can resolve many URL-related issues as it refreshes the permalink settings of your WordPress site. Begin by going to the dashboard of your WordPress site. On the sidebar, hover over Settings and then click on Permalinks. Once you're on the permalinks page, scroll to the bottom and simply click on Save Changes. You don't need to make any adjustments to the existing settings unless necessary. By saving the changes, WordPress automatically rebuilds the permalinks structure, which often resolves any anomalies in URL pathways. After you've reset your permalinks, the next crucial action is to clear your browser and website cache. Cache issues can prevent you from seeing the changes you've just made, as an outdated version of the page might still be loading. Start by clearing the cache from your browser. This can usually be done through your browser settings. Then, if you're using any caching plugins on your site, clear those as well. Each plugin has distinct steps to do this, so ensure you're familiar with the process for the one you use. Once your cache is cleared, it's time to test your site again. Check the URLs to make sure they load correctly, and navigate through your site to ensure that everything is functioning as expected. Keep an eye out for any persistent issues, as they might require further investigation. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to resolving URL and file directory issues effectively. Remember to take your time with each step, and you'll have a smooth running website in no time.